So let me recap. In the last song, I was using 2 Marshall heads running clean. They weren't particularly loud, but they were loud in here. And all the sound was coming from my pedals. The amps were just clean, no distortion. The distortion I kicked in at the end of the song was from an overdrive pedal in my pedal board. So the second way to get a clean guitar sound is to run your amp on the edge of distortion and control it from your volume pot on your guitar. I've changed amps now. I'm using 2 old 5150s. They've got 6L6 valves in them. They're the early version, really early. They've got 00 serial numbers, and to me they sound completely different to all the others I've tried, but I kind of like them. But here's an example of the control I've got, of the cleanness of it. You can see that it's not perfectly clean, but I've got all that kind of leeway. I can go from the controlling the guitar volume. I can. It's a much more organic way of getting a clean sound. It works really well with kind of chunky chords and working in a band. It's a thicker sound. I kind of like the 5150s because they've got a real thick sound to them, clean or dirty. So what I'm going to try and demonstrate now in the next song is the touch sensitivity of the guitar and the dirty sound. And then probably towards the end, I'm going to go full on and kick in a load into the front of the amp for a more soaring lead sound. So I hope you like it.